Understanding Lockdown, a comprehensive guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of English phrases and expressions to uncover the meaning, usage, and significance of the term lockdown. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced English learner, this video is tailored to help you grasp this concept clearly. So, let's get started. Lockdown is a noun, and it refers to a situation in which people are not allowed to enter or exit a building or area freely because of an emergency, threat, or a pandemic. During a lockdown, people are required to stay where they are and not leave until it is safe or they are given permission. The term is often used in the context of security measures, public health, or emergency responses. 2.1 Security measures. In the context of security, a lockdown can occur in places like schools, offices, or public buildings, often due to a potential threat such as an intruder or a violent incident. The main goal is to protect the people inside and prevent any harm. 2.2 Public health. During a pandemic or an outbreak of a contagious disease, governments might enforce a lockdown to control the spread of the disease. In this scenario, people are required to stay at home, and public places like schools, offices, and shops may be closed. 2.3 Emergency responses. In cases of natural disasters or other emergencies, a lockdown can be put in place to keep people safe and facilitate rescue or relief operations. The entire city was under lockdown due to the sudden outbreak of the virus. The school immediately went on lockdown after reports of an intruder in the vicinity. Businesses have been struggling to survive since the lockdown was implemented. Notice how in each sentence, lockdown is used to describe a state of restricted movement and heightened security or safety measures. That brings us to the end of our video. I hope this comprehensive guide has helped you understand the term lockdown and how it is used in different contexts. Remember, mastering a language is all about understanding the nuances of its phrases and expressions. So, keep practicing, stay curious, and don't hesitate to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.